So y'all, tonight we're gonna make a crawfish themed Christmas wreath. So we're gonna use just a little bit of, add that into all four corners. So we're just adding a little mounting square into all four corners. So we got our mounting squares on all four corners. We're just gonna set this off to the side. All right, so like always, we're gonna take our 21-inch, we're gonna fold it over. Then we're gonna fold in the outside edges just a little bit. Then we're gonna scrunch it up down the middle. So we're gonna just start with a little piece in the pipe cleaner. Get it nice and twisted. Y'all, then we're just gonna put 10-inch poofs all the way around the top. The air cut off for a little bit, so that'll be nice for a little while. Cut this off. So we've got our 10-inch poofs around the top. Y'all, then we're gonna take our 10-inch mesh, and on the bottom of our frame, we have 10 twist ties. So we're gonna do 10 30-inch pieces. So we're gonna add one 30-inch ruffle to all the twist around the bottom. So what we wanna do is we wanna take our ends and just curl them in a few times on both sides. Now, the cut edge that's gonna be messy is tucked away like a little scroll. Then just crinkle it up the middle. And now everywhere you look on that ruffle is either sealed from the manufacturer or hidden. And you have no messy edges. So add one of those ruffles all the way around. I'm going to alternate the colors. All right, so we did our 10-inch poofs around the middle, our 30-inch ruffle around the outside, and then we're gonna take the remainder of this one and cut ourselves some 20-inch ruffles. We're gonna need 8 to go around the center. We're gonna take our 20-inch cut. We're gonna fold it in twice, just like our big one. And then get our little ruffle going. Then we're gonna add that little ruffle right into the twist at the top. Just to give it a little bit more texture. Look how fun. Nice and thick. Let's grab our sign. Now we're gonna take our pipe cleaner and go right through our little mounting squares. Give that a little twist. I want to get it right down here on this corner. What does it mean? It's ho ho ho. So if you guys don't know, in Louisiana, we like to change the letter O to EAUX. All right, so all I'm doing is I ran the pipe cleaner through the mesh and I'm wrapping that pipe cleaner around the frame at the bottom. All right, let's make one of our bows for this one. We're gonna measure out about, I don't know, 12, 14 inches. What's the website on how to make a wreath? It's learnfromdamon.com, and then just look for creative coaching. All right, so we got a good pinch. All right, let's go out to a 6.5 to 7 inch loop. All right, measure out our 8 inch, give it a good twist. Our loops just need to get a little bit smaller. Every time. So we're just gonna keep making our loops a little bit smaller. Let's get a little bit of Christmas in here since it's supposed to be a Christmas wreath. Get that one trimmed. Let's go with the green. So y'all, I chose this green because there's little green accent pieces all over our sun that are the bright green. The scissors are from Deco Exchange. Yep. Y'all, this is a giant bow. More ribbon than we normally use, but it's okay. So we're just going to use this one as our little center loop. All right, so we're going to pull this nice and tight. And give it a good twist. So we're gonna add our bow right up here. Now we can start adding some ribbon tails around it. All right, so we're gonna need at least 10 of tails around the base. So let's start with, that's 10. Gonna need some here. Let's do 8 of each. So we're doing 8 of each ribbon tail at 13 inches. All right, let's get 8 of the next one. We're gonna layer these. After you layer them, I like to fold mine in half. Give them a good crisp pinch. All right, from there, we're just gonna take it and crunch it right down the middle. And then I like to fold mine backwards. So like this. All right, then we're just gonna find that twist tie right on the frame and add our tails in there. See how it's standing up all by itself? That's what we always want. All right, let's get these going. All right, so we did our tails all the way around. Y'all, now we're gonna move up to the top row and add our ribbon tails around. Y'all, I don't normally put all the same coloration of tails, but I kind of like it. So normally we would have made sure that we brought every color in the bow all the way around. But I kind of like that we just did burlap reds and whites. All right, now let's trim our tails up. So to dovetail, if you guys don't know how, all you do is fold it in half and then cut at an angle. All right, let's look at it. All right, y'all, that's it for tonight. A little crawfish Louisiana style Christmas wreath.